So there are two key things I need to know in order to understand square roots. First of all, that it's the opposite operation of squaring, and second, that it's the value that when you multiply by itself gives you the original number back. So for example, if we're looking at the square root of 49, that's going to be 7 because 7 times itself gives us 49. And so all of these perfect squares really just lend themselves to these square roots. So for example, if you just imagine taking the square root of both sides of the equation, the square and the square root, because they're opposites, they cancel each other out. So that means that the square root of 49 is just 7. And that works for all of these perfect squares. The square root of, for example, 144 is going to be 12. The square root of 196 is just going to be 14. And so you could think about this going back to the example of a square. This time what it's saying is that when you have, for example, an area of a square is 49, the square root means they want to know what the lengths of the sides are. So what times itself is going to give you an area of 49, and that's going to be 7 times 7. So that tells us that the square root of 49 is just 7.